So I also felt that the government should be open to reviewing decisions that taken. I felt that if Urban Arts Commission is not going to take us to where we want to reach, then we have to review it. For which we have today met with Indian Institute of Architects, also Mr. Edgar Ribeiro, our department also, and we have reached a conclusion that we will not have this Urban Arts Commission. Rather, we will have something called a Design Advisory Panel. Now, this Design Advisory Panel's basic function would be aesthetics. कशें दिसप फाल्यां आसा गांव दर एक बिल्डिंग येता just steel and glass, suddenly it becomes an eyesore. So the architect will have to come to this design advisory panel and defend his case, why his project should be approved. It is not that just because तुगेली FAR सारकी आहे यहाँ तुझे जातलें म्हणून. You will have to come to the panel and defend your case. Now we will have a design advisory panel, one for North and one for South Goa. At the onset, we will make it applicable only to ODP areas and to heritage areas which are marked and ODP areas. हे आमी apply करतले. आनी एक अशें जालां की सगळ्यान पोन्नें कितें? सगळ्यान पोन्नें म्हणटा तें व्हडलें गोंय, ओल्ड गोवा. आतां ओल्ड गोवान आर्किओलॉजी आनी ते कोण ते आर्कायव्ज आनी आर्किओलॉजी तांणी प्रोटेक्ट कितें करप हें वचून आमचे रिजनल प्लॅनान रिफ्लेक्ट जायना. सो बाब एडगर रिबेरो आतां एक प्रेजेंटेशन दिवपाचो आहा स ओल्ड गोवाची पंचायत प्लॅन कसो आसचो तो. दॅट वील एक्चुअली बी एक्सेंट्युएटिंग वॉट should have been seen in the regional plan.